to another baking video. That's why I have this super cute apron on. And today I'm making and doing rolled ice cream for the first time. I'm so excited because if you don't know, my favorite food is ice cream. Like when people ask what my favorite food is, I say ice cream. And I especially like rolled ice cream because I think there's something really cool about it. And I'm making 3 different flavors today. I'm making Oreo, vanilla frozen yogurt, and regular vanilla. So let's get started. So I already made all the different bases of the ice cream. I'm gonna do Oreo first because I'm so excited to like chop the Oreos in there. So here's the Oreo base, and inside the Oreo, I have my ingredients so you guys can make it along with me. I did 1 cup cream and 1/2 cup of condensed milk and 3 Oreos. When I bought the rolled ice cream pan, it came with different recipes. Well, I decided to take 2 of the recipes and take 1 from the internet. Now I'm gonna grab the frozen plate. I don't know how long this will be frozen for, so I gotta do this quick. Okay, what am I doing? Oh my gosh. They said to do 3 Oreos, so that's what I did. I'm chopping the Oreos now because I don't want, oh my gosh, this is kind of hard. How do people do this? This ice cream mix only has 3 ingredients. All the other ones have like 5 plus, so I'm excited to see how this one turns out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's already freezing. Ah! I've been wanting to film this YouTube video for about a month now, and I've been studying, guys. I think I'm gonna be an ice cream maker because I've been studying and I've been watching so many rolled ice cream videos that all my search history is different rolled ice cream videos on YouTube. But hopefully this turns out good because I'm trying in my head replaying the videos. And in there, they always do. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cool. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a minute. Didn't tell us to do that, but again, I'm not a rule follower. So I think it'll freeze faster. And it'll also freeze the plate, so it'll be ready for the next time we do the next, oh no. But this is my first time, so I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Rolled ice cream. So I think this is the best we're gonna get for this one. But now I know to pour less and we cleaned all the stuff. So let's move to vanilla. Go vanilla. Just a little bit. For plain vanilla, I'm using 1 cup whole milk, 2/3 cup sugar, 2 cups heavy cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 vanilla bean, split lengthwise. Well, I don't really know where you find a vanilla bean, so I skipped that step and it said optional on the recipe, and this one was from the box. So I'm excited to see how they both turn out, and if you're using the vanilla bean for some reason, cut lengthwise. Take out all the beans and mix it up. Okay, so I just started to do a little corner of it, and look, it's already standing up by itself. That one is the first one. It actually looks like rolled ice cream. Doing it! Yay! And it rolled. It might not look pretty, but I know it's gonna taste good. Like, any ice cream is delicious. There's a little sourness to it. So it's all spoiled.
There's nothing that would be spoiled then.
Whole milk.
The whole milk is not spoiled.
Look! I did it! When I was making the base earlier this morning, I put in the right amount of yogurt. Oh, speaking of that, let me tell you the ingredients so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. 3 cups vanilla Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons sugar or honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. That's where I messed up. First, I thought it was tablespoon, so I put a whole tablespoon. So I had the 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract in this hand and the whole bottle of vanilla extract in this hand. Well, the bottle was probably like that big. And I was like this instead of that. And the whole bottle of stuff fell in there. But luckily I love vanilla, so it wasn't that big of a deal. So I tried to pour all of the vanilla extract into this tiny like bottle, and we realized there was milk in there and that would just be a disaster. So we threw it out. So don't do what I did. Because I didn't put that much, I'm just gonna start to do this so that when it freezes, it's already in that shape. Did I say rolled ice cream? I meant flicked ice cream. Oh, I don't like it. Okay, here we go. I'm not joking. This is harder than shoveling snow in the middle of a winter's day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me make the 3 filled rolled ice creams. I'm going to show you all of them and comment down below which one looks the best. I definitely think the one that looks most rolled is definitely the frozen yogurt. It's the best. Okay, it's the vanilla. The vanilla rolled the best, so stick to the book, kids. You guys probably so annoyed at me right now. I put ice cream in the refrigerator. Well, I just made this one. Here's the vanilla. We're going out for dessert tonight. Oh gosh. The definition of rolled ice cream. Been there, done that, never again. Hey, it was fun. Ice cream rolled, melted, or sharded, or not. It's ice cream. It's gonna be delicious anyway. Thank you so much for watching me make rolled ice cream. It was so much fun, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And whoever does all 3 of those, leave a comment down below, and I'll like it, heart it, and respond. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much.